Why use an API gateway for API versioning? Imagine you're managing a busy restaurant with many dishes and customers. You want to serve everyone well without mixing up orders or confusing menus. That's similar to how an API gateway helps with API versioning in backend development. It acts like a central control point that manages different versions of your application programming interfaces. When you update an API, you need to make sure existing clients don't break. They might be using an older version, and forcing them to switch immediately can cause problems. API versioning allows you to introduce new features or fixes without disrupting current users. But managing multiple versions directly in each backend service can get messy and hard to maintain. That's where an API gateway comes in. It routes incoming requests to the correct version based on the URL path or headers. For example, requests to V1 users go to version 1, while V2 users go to version 2. This way, clients don't need to know how your backend is organized. They just call the right URL or include a version number in their request headers. The gateway handles the rest. Another benefit is that the gateway can transform requests or responses. Say your new API version changes the data format. The gateway can adapt responses so older clients still understand them. It also supports running multiple API versions at the same time, so older clients keep working while new ones get the latest features. If something goes wrong with a new version, the gateway can quickly reroute traffic back to a stable older version. This minimizes downtime and keeps your service reliable. Plus, API gateways often include extra features like security, caching, and rate limiting. These features help protect your API and improve performance. From a backend development perspective, using an API gateway for versioning simplifies management. Instead of embedding version logic into each microservice, you centralize control. This makes your server code cleaner and easier to update. It also helps teams coordinate changes without forcing clients to update immediately. Overall, an API gateway offers a flexible, scalable way to handle multiple API versions smoothly. It protects existing client integrations, simplifies your backend operations, and makes your API easier to grow and maintain over time.